View has just launched the new series of smart TVs and they're calling it the Cinema TVs. Currently available in three sizes, the 43-inch, the 50-inch and the 55-inch. All are 4K TVs running the latest Android TV 9 with the official Google Play Store. In the sound department, they come with 40-watt built-in soundbar, which gives a cinema sound experience along with Dolby support. The displays are capable of producing 500 nits, which should make the viewing experience for movie buffs and OTT platform lovers a joyride. Let's have a tech talk with the company's CEO to know more. Hi there. So today we have with us the CEO of View TV, Ms. Devita. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Very well, how are you?
First of all, congratulations for the wonderful launch. Amazing TVs.
Thank you.
Cinema TVs. So it's a great experience as of now.
Thank
so
you.
How are you feeling about it?
I'm feeling always very excited actually. This is my 34th event and launch review since the time I started the company.
Oh, that's
but
great.
each one we always try and up the game with a better product and a better lineup, and I think this is probably one of the best ones yet.
Looks really great.
Thank you.
A couple of questions if I can ask you.
Sure, of course.
As this is a cinema TV, are we expecting bigger sizes than this as well?
Well, we're starting with the 43, 50, 55.
Yes,
These are already large sizes, but then depending on the response, we'll be happy to do them if people want them in 65 or 85 or something.
That'll be great. We have already been excited with the 100-inch.
I think people have very big expectations with View TVs. They
Yes,
always want
actually.
the biggest TV from
Yeah,
us.
especially when we saw the 100-inch last time.
Oh yes, absolutely.
It was a brilliant
Maybe
experience.
I'll add some cinema features in there.
Oh wow, it would be great. How do you manage to keep the prices so competitive according to the market? So it's really
I think a
impressive.
couple of reasons. First of all, we do not compromise on quality. We do not compromise on customer service. But couple of areas is one, we have an almost direct distribution model. So whether it's just View, a customer, an e-commerce player or a local store and the customer. So you don't have multiple layers of dealers, sub-distributor, reseller who are eating margin and then giving a loaded price to customers.
Right.
The second area where we save money a lot is on our marketing. Our customers have brand ambassadors today. They love the product, they recommend it. 87% of my customers tend to buy View TV again.
Yes.
With 91% of them being below the age of 40.
Oh wow.
So, a lot of millennials buying this brand, they love it, they recommend it, and they're doing the job of the brand ambassador for us, so I don't have to pay any expensive cricketer actor.
Yeah, that's true.
And that's why customers are benefiting with a great price.
Absolutely. Very, very well priced, I would say.
Thank you, sir.
Finally, where can we get these offline and online?
So offline, they're available in stores across the country. We have 600 retail stores that we've partnered with.
Right.
Starting the next few days, you can buy these anywhere. Online, they're available on Amazon.in starting January 18th.
Okay, on Amazon.in.
On Amazon.in.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you
It
for
was a
having
pleasure
me.
talking
Thank
to
you
you.
for being there.
Thank you for being on my channel.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.